Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the dirty water pipeline self-cleaning on XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner. Now, find dirty water pipeline safe cleaning. Then you can enable it and set a starting time. And it'll basically do that once the robot vacuum is like after it's been used, when it's charging and idle, during like once you set the time, the starting time, it'll do that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.